Hey guys, today what I'm going to be doing is teaching you how to create swimmable water and UDK, and the process is very easy, so don't stress out about it at all. First, what we're going to do is open up the content browser, and what you can do by doing that is either hold down Control Shift and press F, or click on this little icon right here, which I sort of navigated my mouse to earlier. But what you can do is as you see right here, content browser, go to actor classes, click on that, and you see all this stuff right here. Open up Fluid, and you see this two right here, well, these two. Open up Fluid Surface Actor, double click on that, and click on this, right click, well, make sure you have this clicked, right click and add Fluid Surface Actor movable here. As you can see here, you see you have this this checkered plane. Size it to how high you want the water to be. Let me go ahead and do that. And I guess I'll have it about this high. Use your scaling tool to scale it down. And that should be good. Awesome. What you're going to do is double click on this checkered plane right here, and you'll see this. Now, I'll go through some of this. You're not gonna need to know all this. Well, I mean, eventually, if you want to get like really, well, once you get into like the really advanced stuff, you want to. But for now, I'm just gonna go over several things and just general knowledge, what you need to know. First, what we're gonna look at is fluid damping, and what that is, it's how quickly the waves die away. Personally, I highly recommend that you keep it between 0 and 1, but I mean, that's just me. That's what you really want to keep it on. And the volume, pretty much what you're gonna, well, let's see, there's fluid height scale, and fluid height scale is how high the waves can reach when you interact with the water. And I want to show you this, but I'll build the lighting later on in just a second. Next up is deactivation distance, and pretty much what the deactivation distance is, as you can see right here. Let me go ahead and slide that this way a bit. It's how far away the player is for the fluid surface actor to deactivate. So it's set to 3,000. So roughly 3,000. I forgot what they use in this, but 3,000 whatever feet, something like that, away, and this fluid surface actor will deactivate. So let me go ahead and build the lighting. This might take a second. Just build all. What am I doing? Shouldn't take too long. It's stopping. Kind of mess this up a bit. Bear with me. I'll just go ahead and click on this. Control Shift. You can do Control Shift. Oh well. Okay. Building the lighting, and bear with me. Now, as you can see, this map check or whatever, just close this, just close all the windows right there, and now we can actually play it. Now, let's go ahead and play, and boom, as you can see, I follow right through. Not good, not very good at all. So what we're going to do is, let's go back into here, and what we're wanting to do is actually, if you want to like have, just make it swimmable, what we're going to be doing is, we'll sort of line your builder brush, to how you want the area you want swimmable, and we're gonna you see volumes right here. What we're gonna do is go to this right here, right click, and go all the way down to UT water volume, And as you can see here, that has been created. And go here, double click, and well, just disregard that for a moment. And let's play this. And as you can see, you heard the sound, and if you press the spacebar, you can actually swim in this. It's really cool. You can see the waves and everything, but as you know, alright, still clear, not good enough. So we're gonna exit out of this, go back to volumes, right click on volumes, this the add volume, right click on this, and we will, to make it blurry, you probably want to add post process volume, and that is right here. And once we add that, we are going to, oh god, no, wrong one. Here it is, post process volume. And right here, you actually want to left click, well, right across from enable DOF, which is depth of field. You want to left click this to enable the depth of field. Obviously, you'll hopefully you have a well understanding of what depth of field is. Next up, we are going to go down to depth of field focus distance, and that is right here. What we're going to put this to, well, make sure it's set to 0. Actually, don't mess with this, just make sure it's at 0. And next up, we're going to go to depth of field, or DOF, focus inner radius. And what I'd recommend setting this to is to 100 or 150, whichever you like. I'm just going to do 100. And let's see, and make sure you, well, before we actually test it out, go to max near and set that to 0.1. There we go. Enter, and let's test this out. Oh, as you can see here, it's getting blurry. Oh, there we go. It's blurry, which is really nice. And well, one last thing before I finish up this tutorial is what we're going to do is, let's click on this again, click on this fluid surface actor, and let's open up the content browser. Here you go, content browser. Type in water, make sure you have all the sets selected, and you can choose the material that you want your water to look like. Make sure this is, well, make sure it looks like this. Left click on it, and right here, once you left click on this, click this green arrow, and voila, you have water, my friend. Which is nice, and that's how you create swimmable water in UDK. Hopefully this tutorial helped you a bit, and hopefully it wasn't too confusing. Thank you, rate, comment, subscribe, and hopefully you enjoyed. Bye.